Now how does farmer know that crop is ready? He has to see the seed, the moisture content in seed. One simple test is, if you put grain in your mouth and when you eat it and there is a crackling noise, that means seeds are ready. And these seeds have about 16% of moisture. So at that time, you see, it is very important. Neither the crop should be over mature nor it should be under mature. At right time, it has to be cut. And how is it cut? Traditional method is with the help of sickle or harvester or combine. Harvester and combine is used along with tractor, and sickle, is used by hand. And you must have heard that during March and April, most of the labor who is working in metros goes back to village. Why? Because at that time they need more farm hands. Because it has to be done fast. You can't keep doing it slowly. Because if you do it very slow, then some of the grains will get spoiled. So they have to be cut in time and then also stored in time. Now, so what they do? They harvest, and then after harvesting, the harvesting is done in such a way that the plant is not uprooted, but it is cut from a certain level, which is above the soil. So what will happen? Stumps will be left in the soil. So some farmers, what they do? They burn it. But that's not fair, because it will pollute the environment. They can also plow it. That is a better way, so that the stumps go into the soil and provide organic matter. Alright, that is over. Now what about those plants that were cut and cut? They are then beaten. When you want to make something, when you want to get something out of something, you have to work very hard. So the plants are beaten to the ground, and that is called threshing. Have you ever got threshing from your parents? Not a good idea. Children should be always loved and not thrashed. There are also threshers. And the combine also helps in threshing. What happens in threshing? The grains get separated from the plant, and the rest of the plant can be used as animal fodder. That is the feed of the animals. Now the grains are separate, but the grains are still covered by chaff, and this has to be removed. For this, remember what you studied in class 6? Winnowing. Winnowing is done and the chaff is removed. So what you get is seeds.